Greeting viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddy Vision. We see that you've been watching and liking the videos, but we need one thing from you guys. We need you guys to subscribe to the videos and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss another video. Now, I'm here to talk about two talented young under-23 Arsenal players, wonderful players. These players came up through the ranks of this tremendous Arsenal football academy, and they're now playing in Premier League 2, which is the under-23 team. These players are Omari Hutchinson and Kido Taylor-Hart. Let's start with Omari. Omari Elijah Gerard Hutchinson is an 18-year-old midfielder or attacking midfielder that plays for Arsenal. Arsenal wonder kid Omari Hutchinson has been compared to England star Raheem Sterling and is a viral sensation. Omari Hutchinson is knocking on the door to the first team very loudly. It seems that on a weekly basis, Gunners fans are getting treated to another moment of sensational skills by the attacking midfielder during an under-23 game. The confidence he has in his ability translates to the swagger he plays with on the pitch. An attacking midfielder who has drawn comparisons with Raheem Sterling. Hutchinson boasts fine dribbling skills and an eye for goal, playing on the right wing. Inevitably, it won't be long before Hutchinson lines up alongside Saka and Smith Rowe in the first team. So far in the Premier League 2 this season, he has played 13 games, scoring 5 goals and getting 5 assists. In the EPL trophy, he has played 4 games, scored 2 goals and gotten 1 assist. Overall, this season, all competitions so far, 18 games, 7 goals, 6 assists. Moving to the next player, Kido Taylor-Hart, 19-year-old left winger who plays for Arsenal. Taylor-Hart also plays in the Premier League 2 alongside Omari Hutchinson. Kido Taylor-Hart also poised to follow in the footsteps of Bukayo Saka after he signed a new contract in 2021. Taylor-Hart is considered one of the top 3 fastest players in the Arsenal Academy setup and attracted plaudits for his confidence and technical ability during a video clip posted on the club's YouTube channel, which saw some fans liking the player's style to Bayern Munich star Leroy Sané. Kido Taylor-Hart has committed his future to Arsenal Football Club in what is just the beginning of a prosperous career. Having been at Arsenal from the age of 7 and a boyhood supporter of the club, Taylor-Hart has represented the Gunners at all ages up to under-23s. In the Premier League 2, he has played 8 games, scoring 2 goals and registering 1 assist. In all competitions, 11 games, he has registered 2 goals and 1 assist. There you have it, fans, a quick look into 2 of Arsenal's brightest stars. Importantly for Jamaicans like myself, these 2 players can, in the future, represent the Jamaican national team. Yes, they both have Jamaican heritage, which is good news, and potentially they could line up for the Reggae boys. So let us keep a good eye on these players, these young players. Let us watch their development. The necessary administration, the JFF, needs to monitor these players and be prepared to act before they get that England call up. They are doing well so far, but we never know what the future might bring. So, what you guys think about these 2 talented players? Let us know in the comment section below. And always remember, like, share, and subscribe.